Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nicole and I'm back again with another video for you guys. Today's video is an unboxing video. I got some stuff from Amazon. I don't really care about the address. It's just my P.O. box, so you can shoot anything you want in my P.O. box. Just not no bomb, none of that. But yeah, y'all. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video of some hair I got from Amazon. So the hair I got is from Amella hair. Let me make sure now. So yeah, the hair is from Amella hair. It's a very cheap, place to shop, and it just looks like this. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, it says Amella hair. And then the price was $75.99 for 3 bundles. No closure, none of that. I don't want a closure because I'm doing clip-ins, so I'm gonna make clip-ins out of these bundles. So I got a 16, 18, and a 20-inch bundles, and they came in like a week. So yeah. And then I also got some clips from Amazon. They're from Fanny, and they're just the 80 pack with the needle and thread, and this was $8.99. So yeah, so this is how the package came. It came from hold on y'all, it came from UPS. So we're gonna jump right into it. Okay, so the box looks like this, and it just says Amella 100% virgin hair. So I'm just gonna open it. Praise the Lord, ain't no tape on that. And this is how it looks straight up when you open it, and it comes with lashes and the hair. Oh, it came with a knit also. Didn't see that. Okay, so this is the 3 bundles you get. This is the 16. This is the 18, and this is the 20. Okay, and it comes with a net around it also. This is how the hair looks, and it's body wave that slid right on off. Oh, and around it just had Amella, a little Amella sticker, but it just slid on off. And the hair doesn't have a factory, well, yes it do, it have a factory smell, but it doesn't have like no stank smell, you know what I'm saying? But this is how the hair looks. As I said, it's body wave, so, and I'm not getting no shedding right now. I'm pulling it because I'm pulling it. But this hair only for clip-in, so we're gonna see how it go. The ends look pretty nice. This is full, real full to the end. And this is the 16. Came like this. This is how it looks straight out the packaging. And yeah, running my fingers through it. I got one strand, but you really can't tell nowadays because, oh, I think it's my ring getting caught in it, but you really can't tell because you have to wear it a couple of days. But looks like this with the net. And this hair was very cheap, y'all, so you can't expect much, but you can't expect something, So, oh, the 20 is very long, period. Shit. That 20 is long. That's like a 22. Ain't no way that's a 20. 18. That's like a 22, baby. I ain't lying. That's like a 22, y'all. Yeah. This is some bomb hair. It don't have no smell. The unboxing is good. I do got a little pieces of hair on me. I think that's from like my ring gets snagged into it. But the 20 is surprisingly long. Like look, it's long. It's very long. But yeah. Yeah, y'all. This is some bomb hair. I don't know if I want to dye it because I know I want to do like I don't want to like bleach my real hair, not bleach it, dye my real hair like a money piece in the front, and then like have like, you know, like kind of highlights in it. But I was going off this girl off YouTube. I don't know her name. Rachel Marie. That's her name. And this is like so cute. Like, I was like, yes, that would look so bomb. Like, look at it. Like, period. And I just wanted it so bad. Like, because she has like the money piece in the front. And then she got like the dark brown at the back. They're like subtle highlights going down. I don't know, but it's super cute. I'm gonna try to see if I can do it. Hopefully I don't mess anything up because y'all, I'm good at messing stuff up. But I made this wig, so hopefully it turns out right. I do have to give y'all that video of my that curly hair I showed y'all when I washed it. I have to give y'all that video. I haven't, but thank y'all for my what's in my car video. I think it hit 1.1K, y'all, and I'm like, what? Ain't a lot of videos. Everybody, if you like this hair is not sponsored at all. If you like this hair, please give my video a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. And I will put like the description of the hair down below in the description box. Yeah, my next video after this should be me dyeing my hair if it come out good. If it don't come out good, y'all just gonna see me fail. But yeah, it should be me doing my hair because I'm about to go ahead and do these clip-ins. I'm about to take a shower and do clip-ins. Yeah, because I might do something this weekend since I'm off. I'm tired. Y'all just got off work, so y'all probably not even still in this part. But yeah, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys oh so much. Yeah, just stay tuned for my next video. See y'all later. Bye, y'all.